Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best air fryers in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these air fryers, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer with ClearCook and Odor Erase. The best air fryer overall. The brand behind the iconic Instant Pot also makes air fryers, and its top-of-the-range model consistently turned out the crispiest fries and chicken wings of any air fryers we tested. In our testing, the fries had crisp exteriors but soft, fluffy insides, and the chicken was moist, while its skin was crispy and retained loads of flavor. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer with ClearCook and Odor Erase builds on the previous iteration, the Instant Vortex Plus, with a plastic window in the basket and a light that lets you keep an eye on food while it's cooking, and has a built-in filter to reduce smells too. However, it doesn't come with any cooking charts, which means you will need to spend time experimenting to achieve the right cooking duration and temperature, particularly when it comes to frozen food. We also found the crisper plate falls out if the basket is tipped up too much when removing food, and the display suffers from fingerprint marks. However, these are minor gripes on what is in our eyes the best air fryer on the market right now. Reasons to buy. Crisp, evenly browned results. Window let you check on food during cooking. Reduces cooking smells. Reasons to avoid. Crisper plate falls out if basket tipped up too high. Display suffers from fingerprint marks. Number 2. COSORI ProLa Air Fryer L501. The best budget air fryer. If you want a budget-friendly air fryer that's as stylish as it is effective, then the COSORI ProLa Air Fryer L501 is worth considering. Unlike any of the air fryers we've tested previously, the LED and touch control panel is located on the glossy top of this kitchen gadget, creating a streamlined look. On test, we found the air fryer produce crisp, crunchy fries with soft, fluffy potato inside and succulent, juicy chicken wings. However, it struggled to evenly brown foods, so we found ourselves tweaking cooking times, and it wasn't effective when cooking frozen foods either. It has 7 presets for dishes such as bacon, seafood, and cake. It also has a reminder to shake, which can be activated when setting the cooking time that will alert you halfway through cooking so you can turn the food to achieve an even crisp. Reasons to buy. Produces crisp fries and chicken wings. Sleek, minimalist design. 7 presets for dishes such as bacon and seafood. Reasons to avoid. Struggles with frozen foods. Requires some experimentation to achieve evenly browned results. Number 3. Ninja Foodi Max DualZone Air Fryer F400. The best premium air fryer. This air fryer has 2 separate compartments, so you can cook 2 different dishes so they're ready to serve at the same time. In our review, we were impressed at just how quickly the air fryer crisped and evenly browned our fries. The 2 cooking drawers, which have crisper plates inside, have an overall capacity of 10 quart, 9.5 liter, and are deep enough to hold a 1.4 batch of fries or 4.4 2 chicken each. Ninja also offers a smaller capacity version, which holds up to 8 quart, 7.6 liters, and is known as the Ninja Foodi DualZone Air Fryer F300. This handy kitchen gadget can roast, dehydrate, bake, and even reheat, as well as air fry, although, like most air fryers, the reheat function can't replace a microwave. We were impressed that different cooking methods can be employed in each compartment at the same time, and the sync feature ensures both compartments finish cooking at the same time, so you'll never be waiting around for one part of your meal to finish cooking. It is one of the bulkier air fryers we've tested, and it does take up a significant chunk of space on a worktop. However, it looks pretty stylish, combining a glossy black finish with silver accents. Reasons to buy. DualZone makes it a versatile appliance. Large capacity. Good range of cooking methods. Reasons to avoid. Bulky. Takes up lots of space. Lacks a reminder to turn function. Number 4. Cuisinart TOA60 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The best air fryer mini oven. While most choices on this list are basket fryers, this offering from Cuisinart raises the bar with its mini oven or oven toaster design. The Cuisinart TOA60 Air Fryer Mini Oven is a little more expensive than the others, but you're getting a lot of bang for your buck as it offers every cooking function you could need. It doesn't just air fry, roast, bake, and reheat. It also convection bakes, convection broils, bakes, and toast. And we found it to be a powerful air fryer whose 7 functions performed well during testing. Just bear in mind that, as in our experience, it takes a bit of tweaking and guesswork to get cooking times and temperatures right. Finally, while the air frying function doesn't make full use of its generous capacity, its spacious interior does grant more real estate to spread out your food while cooking. Plus, as it's several cooking appliances in one, you're also saving counter space. Reasons to buy. 7 cooking functions. Quieted and discreet. Plenty of room. Reasons to avoid. Door can fog up. Takes up a lot of counter space. Expensive. Number 5. Philips Airfryer XXL HD 960 $5,099. Perfect for large capacity air frying. If you're looking for an air fryer that can feed several mouths, the Philips Airfryer XXL HD 960 $5,099 is the perfect choice thanks to its large 7.3 quart, 7-liter capacity. During testing, we found the air fryer ensured everything we cooked, including fries, frozen steak cut chips, and chicken wings, had a satisfying crunch. It also has an additional insert, which sits between the frying basket and air fryer drawer, that Philips says separates and traps fat secreted by the food during cooking, so you don't ingest it. This comes in useful as the air fryer uses more oil than most. The recipe booklet recommended using 1 tablespoon oil when for 1.1 500 of potato when making homemade fries, and the same quantity for 6 chicken wings, which does slightly reduce the healthiness of the meal you're cooking, so any fat-trapping features are worth having. However, this is a bulky appliance, so if you're tight on countertop space, you may find yourself having to store it in a cupboard. Reasons to buy. Excellent crisp results. Large capacity. Fat removal technology. Reasons to avoid. Bulky. Uses more oil than other air fryers.